Understanding the childhood trauma and releases through energy work. Childhood trauma refers to distressing experiences during early years that overwhelm a child's ability to cope, such as abuse, neglect, loss, or witnessing violence. These events can imprint on the mind and body, leading to emotional, physical, or behavioral challenges in adulthood, like anxiety, low self esteem, or chronic stress. Trauma gets stored in the nervous system, often manifesting as blocked energy or emotional triggers. Energy work that include practices like Reiki, acupuncture, breath work, somatic experiencing, and journal work can help release this stored trauma. This method also focuses on a balance in the body's energy systems and clearing blockages and restoring flow. For example, Reiki channels healing energy to soothe the nervous system. Somatic experiences processes trapped emotions through body awareness, and journal work allows you to explore and release suppressed feelings by writing freely about your experiences or emotions. Regular practice can reduce stress hormones, promote emotional regulations, and foster a sense of safety. To begin, seek a qualified practitioner or try gentle techniques like guided meditation, breath work, or daily journaling. Healing is a journey. Be patient and compassionate with yourself.